Question. The equation x plus square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus 1 is equal to 4 has a rational solution that can be written as a by b, where a and b are positive integers. Then what is a plus b? We are required to choose one of the following as the correct answer, that is, choice 1 is 7, choice 2 is 8, choice 3 is 9, choice 4 is 11, and choice 5 is 16. Answer. The rational solution is a by b. This means that both a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. Now examine the given equation x plus square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus 1 is equal to 4. The term square root of x minus 1 implies that x has to be greater than or equal to 1 because otherwise the term becomes imaginary and there cannot be a rational solution. If x is equal to 1, the left-hand side of the given equation becomes 1 plus 0 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 3. This is not equal to 4. Therefore, x cannot be 0. Hence, x has to be greater than 1. The rational solution for x is a by b. And because x has to be greater than 1, it implies that a has to be greater than b. The left-hand side of the given equation is x plus square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus 1. This involves three terms that are square roots of three different expressions. Each of these three terms can be rational or irrational. Now, each term will be rational only if x minus 1, x plus 1 and x square minus 1 are perfect squares. If they are perfect squares, their square roots will be rational. If they are not perfect squares, they will be irrational. While it is possible for two irrational terms to add up to a rational number, for example, if one term is 3 plus root 2 and another term is 3 minus root 2, then when you add these two terms, it becomes 6, which is a rational number. However, there is no way to add three irrational numbers to produce a rational number. In this problem, three terms have to add up to a rational number. Therefore, either each term is a rational number or one of the terms is a rational number and the other two are irrationals that add up to a rational number. Let us explore the first case and see if it leads to a solution. If we fail, we may try the second case. Case 1, all three terms are rational numbers. This implies that x minus 1, which is a divided by b minus 1, or a minus b whole divided by b is a perfect square. And from the second term, we get x plus 1 is equal to a divided by b plus 1, that is equal to a plus b whole divided by b, and that has to be also a perfect square. And x square minus 1 is equal to square root of a square divided by b square minus 1, which is equal to square root of a square minus b square whole divided by b square, and that is also a perfect square. From the possible answers, one can check and find that a plus b is equal to 7, that is choice 1, or 8, that is choice 2. They do not lead to any solutions. However, the third choice, a plus b is equal to 9, leads to a solution with a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4. Check that with these values, equation 1 and 2 and 3 above all lead to perfect squares. Then x plus square root of x minus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus 1, they translate to 5 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 2, and 3 by 4. And when we add all four of them together, we get 4. So the equation is satisfied. Therefore, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4 is a solution of the given equation. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 9, and hence choice 3 is the right choice.